On the 1st of June 1969, the predecessor forces of Merthyr Tydfil, Glamorgan, Swansea and Cardiff came together and a new force came into being, this one. From that day, South Wales Police, or South Wales Constabulary as it was initially known, has grown to become one of the best performing forces in the country. This organisation's got a proud history that we share with our communities and values which have endured over the test of time, despite the challenges we've faced and we're likely to encounter. The road we've travelled during the last 50 years certainly hasn't been easy, far from it. But despite the challenges, we always manage to get where we need to be because of you. Ensuring your achievements, along with those who have served before, get the recognition they deserve, it's really important. If our minds are constantly on what lies ahead, on the problems or challenges of the day, it's easy to forget how much things have changed and changed for the better. And that's why I want to take this opportunity to say thank you, to say diolch to all our staff, past and present, who've helped us become the force we are and the one we hope to become. During the next 12 months, we'll be taking a good look back at the past 50 years, starting with the force's earliest days following amalgamations right through to today. Each month focusing on a new theme, which will start with how much our uniform has changed over the years and could be set to change again after a further baseball cap trial. We'll also be calling on many of our colleagues, past and present, to personally help us tell the story of how far we've come, but also to celebrate their achievements from the past. The history of this organisation, it's all around us. It's in the walls of our stations, within the communities we police, and within the hearts and the minds of each and every one of us who served or continue to do so. But when you take that time to reminisce, I'd also ask you to consider some of the things that haven't changed, or perhaps haven't really changed that much. Because in every photo we publish, in the footage we issue, in every memory we try to capture, you'll find pride, camaraderie, family. Features and values which began within the very roots of this organisation and continue to define who we are today. You'll find a togetherness that you'll recognise. As we begin to write the next chapter of our story, for me it's vitally important to hang on to that history, to learn everything we can from it, all that went well and all that we can take forward. One thing we can absolutely take forward is that togetherness. When we work together, when we support one another, we seem to be able to overcome and achieve anything. I trust you, my colleagues, our workforce, to know and to always try and do what's needed to keep our community safe. And how do I know? History has taught us.